Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2002 Honda Goldwing ABS 6-cylinder 1800 cc's. This beautiful satin black Goldwing just arrived with only 54,000 miles. It's got a really cool smoke windscreen with a lip on it, so it's low but it sends the air right over you. That's adjustable. Fog lamps. It's got AM FM stereo. It's got a brand new Saddleman heated seat with rider backrest in the trunk. It's got a shorty antenna for the CB radio and the radio. Awesome sounding exhaust. It also has traction suspension adjustments, makes the bike handle fantastic. Come by, get this low mileage 2002 Goldwing, which is in beautiful condition, for just $84.99. Come on by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, no warranty available on this unit. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Heated grips. She has heated grips too. Nice mellow exhaust. She's a beauty. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.